People sometimes ask, what is pectin? Well, it's a natural thickening agent found in fruit and other produce. You know, certain fruit like blueberries and cranberries are really high in pectin, but strawberries and pears, very low in pectin. And the neat thing about pectin is it kind of forms a mesh to trap the liquid, and that helps in the gelling. And it also suspends pieces of fruit in that mesh. Now, sugar increases the strength of pectin, which is why it's important. Follow your recipes. Sugar really allows it to trap more water and gel even more. But like I've said, excessive heat can break that down and your jam will not gel as well. There are different type of pectins. There is liquid, powder like the Sure Gel, and natural. Most of these are 100% natural and they are made from apple scraps, especially like a Granny Smith apple. You can make homemade pectin. I have never done it. You're using the apple scraps, you know, the cores and the peels to make it, and so you want to save that up. But I have to say, if you're going to do it, make sure you are using organic fruit, because any chemical on that peel can transfer into your pectin. Always good to be safe. And if you look on YouTube and say, you know, do it yourself natural pectin, a lot of videos will come up and explain exactly how to do it if you want to make your own pectin. Finally, you followed the recipe instructions exactly. You've used the correct pectin, the correct amount of sugar, and yet, very disappointing, your jam is very, very runny. It just sometimes happens. Now, you can always do what I do. I don't tell my family I was making a jam. I say I was making a sauce. And won't this be great on ice cream or over angel food cake, etc. It still has all the flavor, all the taste. So don't despair if your jam doesn't gel correctly. Again, hope you like these little tips about pectin. And we still have 1 week left of JAMboree, so I hope you're watching all the videos and commenting, so you might win that beginning canning set. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and share the knowledge. Thank you.